I heard that one man said that he was friends with our Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's our president. He was friends with him while they were young, while they were small. At that time, what they used to call him is Amiibo. I was like, Amiibo. If he's Amiibo, what's the meaning of Amiibo? Someone that gossips. So does it mean that he was a gossip that time and whatever he hears, he will go and not in good faith, someone that is called Amiibo and someone with the gossip well. Okwu ayo onu. Hmm? Anyway, now he's our president. I'm not seeing that kind of character, but maybe those who are close that will know. I'm not close. But the Amiibo, is it a Yoruba name or Hausa name? Because I know I'm very sure it's not Igbo name. Amiibo. Our own president, don't call him that.